When kids get home from school, the afternoon snack usually looks like peanut butter on some rice crackers, nuggets, maybe some chippies. But French little kids, when they get home for goûter, they have bread, butter and chocolate. It seems like a really weird combination, but it's something that reminds me of my childhood and I absolutely love it. So you need some good bread. So a nice baguette, simply cut it in half and in half again. And it's all about the quality ingredients, so good quality bread and good quality butter. And I'm going to be using a 100% Australian-owned certified organic butter. And it needs to be salted because the salt against the sweet chocolate just works so well together. So lashings of butter, mine's nice and soft. Be generous with it on both sides. A little more. And then no melting of the chocolate whatsoever, no chocolate spread, just a few blocks of chocolate. And I like dark chocolate, but you could use milk chocolate if you like. And we'll just place that straight into the bread, sandwich that together, and that right there is delicious. I promise you, you taste that, you will be speaking French in no time. Bon appetit. Love that.